Welcome to Szymon's Travel First Culinary episode. Well, that's the first one we're gonna do on my grandfather's soup. It's something that was created in 1980s and it was very good. It's a soup with some sausage inside, bacon inside, bacon that is smoked, and it's very simple to do, very quick dish. I hope you enjoy. The first thing is that we are filling about 2 liters of water. Now the second thing is that we have all these vegetables. Now the camera is moving because my little son, who is 4, is putting some magnets on the tripod. But let's continue. Sharp knife is very important here. We have this very nice bacon that we're gonna cut. Now the second part is to cut the sausage also in those pieces, right? That's very important. Why? Well, you have to eat it somehow, right? And if it's too big, you cannot eat it. So everything has to be in the size that will fit to a spoon. I always try to do it this way. It's very, I would say, from IT department, very efficient way. Now, this are carrots, right? The green part will be not thrown out because we got 2 rabbits. You can see them right now. The black and white rabbit is called Maya, and the fluffy one that is a little bit bigger called Pamela. So they're gonna eat that. But these rabbits are not to be consumed. These are our family members. So now we're gonna cut it. This goes to rabbits. That are the carrots that will go to our soup. I am cutting the carrots from 2 sides. Funny thing about the carrots, if you will eat a very big amount of them, then your skin at some point in time will be turning a little bit orange because they got beta carotene inside. Next thing, celery. We need to we need to cut it to pieces and shape the first layer, and then cut it again, and that will be another part that will go to our soup. Leek vegetable. We cut it pieces, and another item that will go to our soup. Potatoes. They will also go to our soup. Let's check them. Our water is already boiling. I will a little bit increase the heat. So now we get almost everything. The soup is very simple. So we get the carrots, we get the sausage, we get the bacon, we get the celery, the leek vegetable, and the potatoes. Everything goes inside. I mean, first goes the vegetables, then goes the rest. Usually you can add as much vegetable as you like. I mean, you can basically any vegetable inside. The flavor that was coming actually from the soup is all in the smoked bacon, and that's the key essential thing actually. The sausage is addition to that, and then you get the vegetables. Basically, a very nice dish. My grandfather, and this is the whole story where it's actually kind of coming from. So my grandfather used to have a garden outside of the town. When always in summer we were waking up, we were preparing all the stuff that we need to take care with us, and we would drive to this garden, and then we would stay all day. The garden was in total isolation from everything. There was no electricity, no water, nothing. It was just this garden and over 100-year-old house. So in order to do something to eat, you had to actually cook something on open fire, which was perfect. Because it was like open fire, a big pot, much larger than that. And as there were more simple times, we just had those things, and my grandfather used to put all that inside, and with that open fire and the taste, it was perfect. So this is the recreation of that. Let's see how it will be. I hope it will be good. So let's put the vegetables inside. Oop. Setting the power here. 5. And the next one. 1. And the potatoes. Yep. All in. Now we also need to. So we need to add, all the stuff: salt, pepper. Pepper. Bay leaves go also inside. Whoa! See? Soup is still boiling. Right. A lot of potatoes. We got the sausage. The leaves that we have taken out. See? Very simple, very tasty. Very hot, but I can actually now feel in my hand. So let's make this cut. Okay. This is our soup. Simple recipe, simple soup, very good. I recommend. Thank you, and see you in the next episode. And remember to subscribe